everybody, Dr. Corey Singer here today to talk to you about how to do a gluteal rollout using a foam roller. For this exercise, it's just to get into the gluteal muscles and work into them, making sure that you're working out any adhesions in those areas. Helps to relieve pain in those areas as well as the lower back. And to do this, you're going to need a foam roller. You can find this at any department store. Medium firmness, medium thickness, and let's go ahead and get started showing you how to do it. You're going to want to go at least back and forth on the gluteal muscles about 10 times. You can do this a couple times a day if you'd like, and let's get started. So you'll place this on the ground like so. You're going to go ahead and find your gluteal muscles. They're on the outside of your butt, and all you're going to do, sit down on top of it, kind of lean your body sideways, and you're just going to do easy passes back and forth about 10 times. Just back and forth. Now, if you find, you can always reposition the block or the foam roller, and you're going to go back and forth about 10 times. If you find an area that you feel is just a little bit more tight than the others, you want to spend a little bit more time on it. So you'll sit on it, kind of get a little bit more working on it for about a few seconds. You can sit on there, just do some deep breathing. You want to kind of move around a little bit so you can feel where the body needs it the most. Just kind of working back and forth. Once you've done that, then you'll switch to the other side and do the same exact thing. And that is how you do the gluteal rollout. Enjoy.